We expect that this year alone, 6 ministers will, by the end of the year, will have visited Japan. The Oireachtas Committee on Foreign Affairs, I believe, is due out. I'm here. It's a very important relationship, particularly in an era when we're under pressure in terms of tariffs, in terms of US change in policy. So therefore, it's important that we engage with like-minded countries where there are strong markets, and this is a very strong market. Trade has grown 5 billion in the last 3 years alone. It's at 21 billion now, and it works both ways. So we have Enterprise Ireland companies and Irish companies who export into this market, and then we have Japanese companies who invest into the Irish market. So it's very important trade-wise. But I think you're going to see more of this. European Union is hoping to do a trade deal with India. It has done one with Japan, Indonesia, and so I think, counter to what's happening on one side, we're going to see over the next while an expansion of EU trade agreements with other countries, and Ireland will benefit from that.